Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave, and welcome back to another gutter cleaning tool review. And this thing here I bought off eBay. I saw a YouTube video about it and I thought it was really interesting, and they weren't really expensive. I can't remember the price now. I'll put it up on the screen here for you, what I paid for it. And here it is. This is how it's turned up, and this is what it looks like. It looks quite interesting. It's made of very hard plastic. It's got this little thing on here. We'll get rid of that. So how this works, you attach it to a standard painter's pole via this thread here, and then it looks like that. And what you can do with it while you're up on the ladder cleaning out gutters, use it like this, so you're scraping whatever it is towards yourself. The problem with a lot of gutters is they've got little braces at the top that hold the gutter on. So this is where this side comes in. You can reach out and you can push whatever you've got inside your gutter underneath that brace using this part here. Now, it worked quite well in the YouTube video that I saw, and what I'll be doing today is I'll be giving it a test run. Now, I haven't done any gutter cleaning for a long time, and I've had this for quite some time and I haven't actually had a chance to use it. If you remember a while back, we did some gutter cleaning videos. Well, today we're going to give this thing a run. I'll take my GoPro with me to work and we'll test it out. We'll see how well it works. It might be rubbish, might not be. I'll report back later today. Hi, how you going? Yep. Now we're back in my shed, and I did use this gutter cleaning tool for roughly 3 days on 4 different jobs. And as you just saw in the little video clip that I inserted prior to this, it does seem to work really well. The main benefit of this is you set up your ladder, and I can reach out about 3.5 to 4 meters that way. Once I extend this pole, that is, I can clean about 3 to 4 meters that way and 3 to 4 meters that way. So by setting up the ladder once, I can roughly clean 7 to 8 meters of guttering without having to relocate the ladder. Even for really large properties and big homes, I only have to set up the ladder maybe 2 or 3 times to do the entire length of the house or shed or whatever it might be, rather than having to set up the ladder every 2 meters to clean out that section of guttering that I can reach from the ladder, and then relocating the ladder and doing it again and then doing it again. So this is a massive time saver. Now I'll give you a look there. You can see there's some wear and tear on this now, a few little marks and scratches, just so you can see that it actually has been used, that I'm not just making this stuff up. Even if you're just a homeowner and you're using it to clean your own gutters rather than getting me out there to do it for you, this is well worth every cent you spend on it. For me, it's probably paid for itself in the first 15 or 20 minutes that I used it on the first day. I'm not getting any money for this video. I bought this thing with my own money. The manufacturers or resellers of this item do not even know that I'm making this video. So it is a 100% unbiased review. Now, if you've got any questions about this item at all, leave your question down below in the comment section. I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video or found it useful at all, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the slightly used gutter cleaning tool, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.